making donut again. This time it's dessert.
Dessert. So we've been making a journey to try to make simple foods. This is a more complex. Exquisite. We're gonna be making an ice cream cake, ice cream cookie,
With cookies.
dessert. So, don't we already have the oven preheating?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, it just preheated. Let's tell them the ingredients.
Cookies. What? It's hungry. Fancy. Okay. Set the mood with this cranberry champagne candle.
It's actually sweet berry, sir.
Fancy. Hey.
Oh, cookie! Wow.
Fancy.
No, we're doing with fancy.
And then fudge stripe ice cream.
Oh,
Some of it's eaten because we like ice cream. And then ice cream cake.
this is from Nanny Doughnut's birthday.
I wouldn't know.
Because you weren't invited.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's get these.
Cooking time. Sweet babies. Into the oven.
You better go take those. Get them prepped.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we got some more lights.
We got better lighting now.
Do it! Open it. Wait, what if we didn't? Oh, just come on. Rip it open. Pull them out. Pull them out.
Oh. Wait.
By the way, Fusion Donut washed his hands.
Yes. Oh. That's a lot of M&Ms. They're all on the side too.
Okay, so you have to break them off.
I know.
2 inches apart. Okay, you should probably put the ones you're not using here. I'm just gonna put M&Ms in these. We're gonna have to put M&Ms on the ones that fell off because I'm not wasting one single M&M.
Crap. I broke a cookie in half.
Hi! It's your cooking show. You're supposed to be Gordon Ramsay.
I am. He's my
Would Gordon Ramsay do that? No.
my grandpa.
Gordon Ramsay's dead.
Oh.
Okay, move it. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
There you go, cookies. Get into the oven to clean it. That's what the grandma said in the visit. Oh my god, there goes another M&M.
It says, what time? 10 to 12 minutes. High altitude, bake at 350, 11 to 13 minutes. Gotta set it to like 13 minutes. Okay, it just ended. How are we looking?
Oh, those definitely need more time.
No, they don't. They're brown on the edges. Those are done.
Oh. Okay.
See the brown on the edges, right? Or am I just seeing that? Yeah, that's done.
Okay, they done.
That's correct. Time to make creation. Alrighty, guys. So we're letting these cool down.
Cool.
Cool. Up. Blow on them. Oh, they ready? Cause he got the ice. Like, there's none on the wrist, but he got it.
Just imagine.
So we're gonna be assembling this thing, but we're just gonna wait for these to cool down.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Pound it. Noggin, cause Dude Perfect does that. Ew. That's a nice TV show. What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, I smell it. I smell it. I smell it. I smell it. I smell the cookies in the air. I smell the cookies everywhere. I smell the cookies in the blue time. I smell the cookies every time. Cookies with M&M's. Cookies with sugar and cinnamon. Cookies with spice. Cookies with everything nice. Cookie dance. We have chocolate syrup, but
But it's fine. We're still gonna use.
correct. Oh. This is mine. That's Fusion.
This one's mine.
It's artist disabled.
This is mine. This one's.
Yo, are you really about to use that's a whole piece of cake?
Huh?
That's one piece?
Well, look at the top. And this. Look at this right here. This is missing.
That's a huge piece, bro.
How am I supposed to do this?
You already got it?
Yeah, I wanted you to cut it.
Okay, Fusion. Put
Ready?
them on the plates, Chef Foos. You're gonna have to use your fingers. When the moon hits your eye like a bigger piece of eye, that's guacamole. Okay, now my piece.
Okay.
That's that one. He says that, he doesn't say that's guacamole.
I know.
You literally missed.
Oh, I gotta get that.
Why is mine the disabled?
You can't help it. Well, you are disabled.
I'm not. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Ice cream cake. Oh, switch the beat up. Ice cream cake, ice cream cake. Oh, shoot, ice cream cake, ice cream cake, ice cream cake, ice cream cake, ice cream cake. That is Carvel ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. Oh, shoot. Yo, he's getting. Yo, ice cream cake. Ice cream. Oh, now it's a solo.
Yeah, I got the ice cream cake. Yeah, I got the cookies. Yeah, I got the ice cream cupcake. Yeah.
Yeah, ice cream cake, let's go. Ice cream cake, switch it up. Ice cream cake, let's go. Ice cream cake, yeah. Ice cream cake. Oh. Putting it top. Look at the fingers on this guy. Nice. Cake's really melting. We need to hurry.
Okay.
Only one scoop.
That's yeah. Okay, ready, guys? Oh, yeah, it's melting.
Put it on top. Okay. Gonna get something for him.
Now,
This looks disfigured. Botched plastic surgery.
there it is, guys.
We gotta try it. Oh. It was cold though. It's really cold. It's icy. It's really cold. Is that icy? It's icy. It's icy. It's icy. Yo, that is icy. It's icy cold. Not icy hot. This ain't no shack. It's icy. Icy. Ice on my toes. Ice on my nose. Ice on my rose gold iPhone 6s Plus. Yeah. That's how we do it, son. First, I think you should try the cookies.
Yeah.
Because we can't have possibly failed with that. How is it?
Good.
Alright, now try this.
Okay, guys.
You gotta get something with every little...
Don't try this at home.
Why?
Might be too...
Diabetes?
Yes.
Okay, you guys, cookies, ice cream cake, and the normal ice cream. Go ahead. How is it? Good.
It's actually really good.
So mine is the disfigured cousin of his.
Because mine had to look presentable.
Trying the cookie. Very good.
Mm-hmm. That's Chef Jaden's special cookies, store-bought.
Now time to try something with all bits.
All of it.
Here goes diabetes type 2.
Is it good?
What? Up on the wall. Ah, cold.
Look at that face. He's going for another bite. Or not.
I can only taste cookie.
Yeah. We're gonna taste some chocolate syrup too.
Good.
Yummy.
So what do you rate it?
Chef Jaden's special meal.
Dessert.
Out of 5 stars. Dessert's a meal for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I rate it 3 out of 5 stars.
2 out of 10.
I do 7 out of 10.
So what was this or the cheesesteak better?
I mean, it's kind of hard to compare
Yeah.
them. Because,
Okay, well, next time we do a dessert, we're going to have to compare.
Yeah.
See you next time on Chef Jaden's Cooking Adventure to Diabetes. Da-da-da-da.
This is how to get obese.
My